This is the tutorial for Feracode's customer panel. So first things first, let's go to the Feracode website. And here we go, talk to us and customer relationship. We simply insert here our email and password and confirm that you're not a robot. You can choose remember me, and if you don't know your password or have forgot it, just click it here and then click login. So in the panel we have a couple of options here, so let's go through all of them. In support, let's start in support. We can see all our tickets that are open, progress, answered, on hold, or closed. We can open a new ticket by clicking open ticket, insert a subject, choose a project, choose a department, choose a service if there's any, and the priority on the ticket. Finally, you can write your ticket right here, all the message, and you can select some attachments, and you can even insert more attachments to the ticket or remove it simply and easy like that. Once that's done, just click save. Let me insert something here. Oops. And let's click save. And then we have our first ticket. You can add a reply once that this has been answered. We always see here this file in calendar. This helps us to see what's coming up, like an invoice or a task for a project. So it makes easier for you to see the due dates for things like I said, invoice or a project or just a task, and anything else that might matter in this case. Okay, and let's go to files now. Here you can pretty much drag and drop any file that you want for, let's say, for an estimate or for the project that you're doing. It's just like the easier way to upload some files. Next we have proposals. Here we can see the proposal here. Click on it. You can pretty much see all of it, and you can accept, recline, add comment, ask for a review on the proposal, and here we can click and go back to portal. And estimates, it's pretty much the same thing. It's an estimate for a project, for a service, for simple development inside of a project, an extra development, anything like that. And contracts, it's you can find your contract here. You can click, and once you click, it's already going to download. You can download it and review it. Also, this contract here, it's more like for when you're hiring a service with us for an amount of time. It doesn't matter if it's weeks, months, years. You're gonna have the start date here and the end date. And the great thing about that, when your contract is about to end or it's due, you're always gonna receive automatic emails telling you that the contract's about to be due or it's already due. So if you want to renew, that makes everything easier. Next, let's go to invoices. Here you're gonna see pretty much all the invoices that you have, not only for one specific project, but for every single project or anything you have developed with us. So let's see here one that is already paid. You can download that. You can click here and pretty much have the receipt here for that payment. So here it is. You can click here also to download it. Let's go back to portal. here we go and click. Let's click again. Let's click in this unpaid. So in the unpaid, you have marked as unpaid. For this example user, we don't have the credit card method of payment. We only have bank here. It's offline payment. So you also will find other types of payment here, like credit card, Venmo, or other options we might give it to you. Okay, let's go back here. In next to it, we have projects. And in projects, it's pretty much self-explaining here. You have all your projects here. You can click in a project and see. You have the overview of the project here, like what percentage it's the project already done, and how many days left for your project to be completed. You have the description of the project here. You have how many open tasks are still in the project, and here we have, let's go first to milestones. You have the milestones in the project, when the milestone is due, and the description in each milestones, at least the ones that have. Inside of each milestone, we have the task for that milestone, and here you have the status for that task. So like we have here the first task, it's already completed. The second task, we see that it's waiting for feedback. You can always click and enter the task to see what is it's waiting for what feedback. And here's going to be the comments, the message, and maybe the task is already done, but it needs the client to approve if it is exactly like he or she wants. So he can comment on it, say, okay, it's fine, I liked it, everything is awesome. And just click add the comment, and then the task probably going to be completed, marked as completed. If not, we will make the necessary changes for it, and then we're going to give again waiting for feedback. And once that a client's already satisfied with the task, we are going to set the status as complete. Here we have the status of testing. You can always enter here. If there any more information about it, we're going to post it in here or as a comment. Here you have tests that are in progress, but there's nothing more than that for now. So they're pretty much they're in progress, but you don't know in what part is the development. So you can always enter. Maybe you want to help the development to go faster, and you have the files that are necessary for that part. So you pretty much just drag and drop in here, and you can insert all types of files in here that might be necessary for that task. You have in here the percentage of the milestone and how much it's left for it to be finished. You can always change here for a list, or you can see as milestones and tasks. You have files where you can, instead of drag and drop for a specific task, you can drag and drop for the entire project. Maybe files that will be used for everything, or you don't know in the specific task that you need to insert, you just insert here, where it's pretty much going to be for the entire thing. And it's going to be specifically for this project. So if you insert through here, it's not for the project, but like for any type of project you might have here with us. So here it's specifically in this project. You already have discussion here. You also have discussion here, and you can create a new discussion by putting a subject, a description, and start a new discussion. Let's do some example. Let's do discussion 1, and let's just paste anything and save. and we start a discussion here, and you have the total comments on the discussion, and you can always enter discussion to read all the comments and everything else. You can also attach files to the discussion. After, we have the great view where you can see all the start date of a task and the due date of a task, and you can see the tasks that have been completed and the ones that are in development or in progress. Here you have your tickets. It's pretty much the tickets for this specific project too. So in support you can have bunch of different tickets and pretty much for anything. So in here, when you click in tickets, you can't open the ticket here, but you can see the ticket is specific for this project because it's the one that we selected when we opened that example ticket. Here we have estimates for this specific project, and finally we have invoice for this specific project too. So here we have invoice for all projects, and here we have invoice for this specific project. Okay, after projects we have only our knowledge base, and here you'll find articles and things that might help you with the navigation or anything else that might help you. This video will be found here in knowledge base, so anytime you want to review it and learn again how to use our panel, you just come to knowledge base and find the video right here. And finally, we always have here the option for our live chat, and if we are online here, you can just enter a message and start a live chat, so it's super easy to talk to us. And if we're not online, here will be like we're offline, and you can leave the message for us. And probably the next business day, we will be answering to your message. You also have some options here just to change your profile, change a picture, change the password, change your phone. You have company details, so you can insert information or change anything that needs to be changed. You have announcements. Maybe we have an announcement for you or for all our clients. We're going to post it here, and they pretty much appears once you enter the website. But if you want to see an announcement that it's old, or maybe you want to check if it's still here, you can come to announcements. You can always change the default language here. If you're not comfortable with English, maybe you want Italian, Portuguese, you can change the language here. And finally, just click and log out once you're finished. And that's pretty much it.